Hi friends, this video shows how to unpair and forget remote. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go down, select remotes and accessories. Go down, here you can see TV remote, voice remote. Select it, select forget, select yes. Done. So this way we can unpair or forget remote. Next I will show you how we can pair it back. So here you can see one reset button. See, so we have to press and hold this reset button until we see searching for accessories. When you see that message, at that point you can release the reset button. Done. Then take remote controller. See, this is a remote. Here in this remote we need to press and hold these two buttons together, back button and home button. So these two buttons we need to press together until we see a light here, over here. Let me press and hold. See, now you can see the light. Release it. Now here you can see Google TV remote. Using this reset button we can press and select Google TV remote. Then we need to press and hold this reset button to confirm that selection. See, now it's pairing, and here in this remote you can hear once beep sound. That means it's paired. See, it's paired. So this way we can unpair or forget, then again pair. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.